This is a really excellent select group of people. It's a close-knit community, and it is a program where there's a lot of one-to-one interaction with the faculty and the students.
My journey with the EURO-TAM program started when I was in high school. I was involved in Rotary Interact Club and Girl Scouts. One of our service projects was to sponsor a Syrian refugee family. I began to learn more about the refugee crisis and became passionate about ways that I could help these people. And through the EURO-TAM program, I've been able to study more in depth about this issue, why it's happened, and what ways this issue can be solved.
We are one of the 5 best European Studies centers in the United States. And so the EURO-TAM students can get to draw on that.
It's the coursework that you get, it's the experiential education piece and the time that you go abroad, it's the individualized advising. I know that all the students very well and really can talk to them about their individual interests and connect them to one another. And it really prepares you for going out into the world and really doing what you love.